Doing laundry symbolizes a close relationship between water and cleaning and, at the same time, to womanhood. As many other unpaid care works, laundry has always been identified as a female responsibility. Traditionally, depending on where the laundry was being done, it promoted conditions for socializing and developing kinship among female care workers. In other words, an opportunity to alleviate the struggles of daily life by sharing stories and common issues. In this case, the personal became visible and political among them and was a tool to challenge what has been systematically imposed to be kept in the private. Don't wash your dirty laundry outside is an open invitation to feel free to be vulnerable, to complain, and to share common struggles faced due to gender, sex, class, and race while doing laundry together. We would like to ask questions instead of giving answers. Some might seem obvious, but are they really yet?
Have you ever decided to silence yourself in order to feel safer?
Have you ever asked a friend to walk you home because you were scared to go on your own?
Which unwritten rules help us navigate space more easily?
How does our bodies fit or misfit in public spaces?
Which questions would you ask?